This is the second video in a series introducing you to Riffyn Nexus. In the first video, we illustrated the process designer and showed how you can use it to develop scientific processes. In this video, we'll show you how to represent experiments on those processes. We'll illustrate using the fermentation process you see here in this diagram. Now let's switch over to Riffyn Nexus. First, we select the batch fermentation step. As you can see, there are 4 bioreactors on this step. The table contains all the run parameters and set points needed to execute those bioreactors under different conditions. Those bioreactors were started from 2 cell cultures, one for strain 1 and one for strain 2. Those were started 2 steps upstream in the process in the inoculate media step. Here we select strain 1. You can see that strain and all of its properties in the inoculation step. And you can also see that it's connected to the 2 bioreactors downstream, which Nexus keeps track of. And there's a second strain and its connection to 2 downstream bioreactors. The tracking of strain material and sample flow continues downstream in the process to the measurement steps. As you can see here, strain 1 is connected to 30 samples in the HPLC analysis step. And strain 2 is also connected to another 30 samples in the HPLC analysis step. Nexus maintains full tracking of the sample and material flow throughout the process. That's really important because later on, we'll show that tracking becomes essential to fast data analytics. As you can see, I've switched to a second experiment, which looks much like the first experiment. That's because it's testing 2 and 3 out of 4 strains in a series of related experiments Riffyn allows you to capture together. And then it automatically integrates data from every single experiment into a single data table that's ready for machine learning and analysis. We'll show you how that's done in a subsequent video. But before we do that, I'd like to show you how all this data gets into Riffyn Nexus in the first place. And that will be the subject of our next video.